Case that we just recently reported. The victim in this case is Charlotte Branton. She's a white female, 47. The suspect in this case is Robert Francis Schulze. He's a white male, 58. On Monday, August 25th, 2014 at 4:19 p.m., the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office was dispatched to 4790 Seascape Way for a shooting. Upon arrival, we found the victim deceased and suffering from an apparent gunshot wound. Detective Walcott of the Homicide Unit investigated this incident. The victim's ex-boyfriend told us initially that he responded over to the apartment to help the victim move out, and when he arrived, he found her suffering from a gunshot wound. We interviewed him initially, got his account of what he said happened. However, through the course of our investigation, we were able to discount his timeline and his whereabouts for that day, which led us to bring him back in today and re-interview him as far as what happened that day. The suspect admitted he confessed to shooting the victim. So he's been arrested and charged with murder as of this afternoon.
Did he allude to why, the motive behind the shooting?
No, and unfortunately I can't tell you why. It was just him and her that were there. He shot and killed her. So I don't have a motive or a reason why. They were boyfriend and girlfriend for about 5 months, and according to the information we have, that relationship pretty much came to an abrupt end days before the shooting.
Any other questions? All right.
Derek Gillum Times Union. So do you just not know what caused it, or is it not able to say right now what caused the end of the relationship?
I don't know that. I don't have the answer for you.
How many times was she shot? Just once?
Yeah, shot one time.
One time, and can you release kind of where
She was shot in the head one time.
There's something in the report that says that the victim had said that she was afraid of Schulze, did not want to see him after a series of text messaging back and forth. Was there ever any type of restraining order against Schulze?
No, there's never been a history of reported violence between the two of them, and I failed to mention yet, and that arrested Booker report that you have there should go into some more details for you about the.
Ms. Casada with First Coast News. Just to clarify, you said the victim was 47, the report says 57. Is that just to make sure?
I have the victim, let me see what the arrested Booker report says. I've got the suspect as being 58 on page 1.
And the victim?
Let me find that out. How old's the victim?
57.
Okay,
Okay.
The victim's actually 57.
That's fine.
And that's on page 3 of the arrested Booker report is her correct age, so I stand corrected on it.
Was it set up like a suicide though? Did he try to make it look like she had shot herself?
No.
So why was it originally listed as no foul play suspected?
It originally was dispatched, I guess, from our call-out screening as being a undetermined no foul play. I think that's the way it went out. It is one of those things that we take very serious. Of course, immediately once we determined that it was foul play, we did reach back out to the media and provide a statement for what happened.
Do you know how long she may have been shot before he called it in?
I would estimate probably several hours before.
Any other questions? All right, thank you.
Okay, thank you.